Concern is growing about a continued surge of coronavirus cases right after the holidays. It could be on the way as millions of Americans are going to travel this week to spend time with family and friends for Christmas. GARRETT TENNEY has more from Chicago's O'Hare International Airport.
Despite repeated pleas from public health officials, millions of Americans are traveling this week to visit family and friends for the holidays. According to travel agency AAA, nearly 85 million people are expected to travel over the next week and a half. And while the majority of them are hitting the road, nearly 3 million are expected to travel by plane. This week, airports are the busiest they've been since the start of the pandemic.
If you could see my mouth, I was gasping because it's big. There's a lot of people here.
With a continued surge of new coronavirus cases, some say the number of travelers could end up being lower than projected.
While people may have travel plans, they may cancel and stay home just because of the pandemic and the rise of COVID-19 cases.
At least 24 airports across the country are offering rapid testing for passengers up to 3 days before their flight in hopes of limiting the spread of the virus. Some of those traveling say after a year filled with immense loss, being with family for the holidays is worth the risk.
People are losing their livelihoods and their homes and, their loved ones. And I just felt like, I needed to come and be around mine while I still have them with me.
If you are traveling, the CDC recommends getting tested both before and after your trip, limiting your exposure, and quarantining when you get back home.
I really think it's going to go just fine.
According to AAA, more than 3/4 of Americans are expected to follow the advice of public health officials and stay home for the holidays. At O'Hare International, I'm GARRETT TENNEY, Fox News.